morning to one and all. This is Santosha Sparrow from 3rd MPC. My subject is physics. In that physics, I chosen one topic. My topic name is magnetic properties of matter. Already we know magnetic properties are generally classified into 5 types. One is magnetic field, and the second one is magnetic field strength, and the third one is intensity of magnetization, and the fourth one is permeability, and the fifth one is susceptibility. Just now only we heard these magnetic properties. Do you want to know more details about this? Chalo, we know more about these magnetic properties. And the first one is magnetic field, and the magnetic field is denoted by the capital B. Magnetic field is nothing but when we place a magnet, it occupies some region. It is called magnetic field. For example, when we place a substance, it occupies some space. No, it is called region. So it is called region, and it is a vector. Why is a vector? Because vector have both magnitude and direction. So magnetic field is a vector. If the distance will be increases between them, the force will be decreases. And the second one is magnetic field strength. Magnetic field strength is denoted by the capital H, and magnetic strength is nothing but the when we take a substance, when we apply external field on through it, some changes will be occurs. It is called magnetic strength, and it is also vector because it have both magnitude and direction, and it is also called as a magnetizing force. And our third one is intensity of magnetization. Intensity of magnetization is also denoted by the capital I. It means if the magnetic field will be increases, automatically the magnetic strength also increases. It means B is directly proportional to the H. If the magnetic strength is increases, then the intensity is also increases. It means I is directly proportional to H. By all this concluded, we get I is equal to M by V. And our fourth one is permeability, and it can be denoted by the mu. How much the magnetism is present in that it can be measured by using this permeability, and it can be denoted by the mu. It means magnetic field is directly proportional to the magnetic strength. It means B is directly proportional to this. When we remove that in proportionality, we will get mu. It means B is equal to mu into H. We need permeability, no? So mu is equal to B by H. And the fifth one, last but not least, susceptibility, and it can be denoted by the chi. It means intensity is already we know intensity is directly proportional to the magnetic strength. When we remove this directly inversely, we get chi. So I is equal to chi into H. We need susceptibility. So chi is equal to I by H. Thank you.